Hey everybody, it's Brad at Deere Brothers LLC out in Versailles, Ohio. Going to do another walk around video followed by an operational video on this 2019 Deere 320G skid steer. Like always, I'll get up close to everything, talk about the features and the functions, show you everything that I see. We'll do an operational video, show it starting up, moving forward, backwards, turning, loader and bucket up and down. As always, if you are in the market for a used piece of equipment, skid steer, any construction equipment, tractor, anything like that, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video. We're putting up videos on all these machines now as they're coming in, and we're putting them up for sale. So like I said, this one's a 2019 320G, OROPS, 2-speed, pilot controls, power coupler, self-leveling bucket, air ride seat, 2,190 pound lift capacity. It's got 866 hours. We've actually been using this one a little bit around our lot here as our yard machine. We've put just shy of 15 hours on it. We have not had any issues with it. It runs good. Fairly tight up here in the pins, which you would expect for the hours. Tires are in good shape. There's lots of life left here in these tires. The paint's good. Back behind here, it's not all scratchy. The rims, as you can see, rims are decent. There's a little bit of paint peeling in the rims. Nothing out of the ordinary. No cracks or welds or anything that I see. Paint's fairly bright. This back door's in good shape. Same thing with that top door. Shields on the back corners are good. Again, tires are good on this side. And like I said, this side's the same back here. Not a lot of scratches and everything in between the tires there on the frame. The bucket's in good shape. No bows or anything in that. No holes. Cutting edge has a little bit of life left on this side, and it is reversible, and the other side's like new, hasn't been turned yet, so a little bit of paint peeling on that rim there. Same with that one. Nothing out of the ordinary. Pretty straight machine. Take a look inside the engine. What we can easily hear. Kind of hard to see with this camera setup, but pretty clean in here. Everything seems to be pretty dry. Where we've had this one parked up by our shop since we've been using it is the gravel's good and dry. Now I say with any used machine, I'm sure if you go over it with a fine-tooth comb, you're going to find a seep or something somewhere. But where we've got it parked up there, the gravel's nice and dry. Take a look at the operator station here. Everything is good up here. That step's in good shape. The plate that protects the coupler's good. The seat is in good shape. No, there's one little tear right here. Back cushion's good. Both of your control levers are good. It is keyless start. Quick coupler. 866 on the hours. Everything looks good from up here. All right, like I said, this one's a 2019, 866 hours. We've put just shy of 15 hours on it, running around here using it as our yard machine. We'll get right into an operational video. it.